Hi, Mark Diaz here for 2danimation101.com. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to use the auto lip sync feature built inside CrazyTalk Animator 3. It's super duper easy. For this, I'm going to open the project file, auto lip sync. If you want to follow along, just open this one. And look how easy this is. Let's check if we have a little animation going on here. I'm gonna play it. And we are going to add some lip sync here, okay? He's gonna be complaining about something, okay? So check this out. This is how you add voice to your character. So if you have your microphone and everything set up, you can record right here. I can start recording and it will add auto lip sync. How do you record? Well, so far we have covered all the tools right here, right? Well, now we are going to use this one. This is to insert audio to whatever you have selected, actually to only characters. When you have actors, you will have this option available. You click on it and that will add an audio to that object. It won't add any audio to the scene. So if you want to manipulate the audio file, you will have to select this character and the audio will show where, let me double click on the timeline. It will show on face, remember, face and voice clip right here. So let's record some audio. It's super duper simple. I'm gonna, let's see, let me check his body movements and come up with something. Okay, maybe he lost something, okay, and then he's complaining, okay. So I'm going to click here and then I'm going to create a script. I can either import an audio right here or I can record voice. So I'm just going to record my voice and say, I can set my settings here. I have everything ready. And then I hit record. Hey, who took my beer? Whoever it was, it's not funny, okay? Then I press OK. Hey, who took my beer? Whoever it was, it's not funny, okay? I kind of nailed it. I think I kind of nailed it. Let me play it again. And you see, we have the lip sync automatically. All I did was record and we have everything ready. Let me play it. Hey, who took my beer? Whoever it was, it's not funny, okay? Yeah, I like it. So you see, this is this was a very quick lesson. That's all there is to it for the auto lip sync. There's nothing else. That's it. Now, if you want to improve the lip sync, you can do so, and I'm going to explain to you how to do it in the next lesson. But the super cool thing here is that we have auto lip sync, and all we have to do is adjust it. That's what I love about this software. Everything is so fast, so quick, okay? Okay, so see you in the next lesson.